What's going on? Tony Ritchie here hanging out with you. Let me see if I could switch to the live view. Maybe we could. Hey, what's going on? All right, so in this video, we are going to show you how to get your bank money, okay, from your bank account. And this is for guys in the US, Canada. Super quick video. I don't want to get too in-depth, but basically you need to get money from your bank account into a crypto exchange account. Okay, it's kind of like in the stock market. You got to put money into E-Trade, or you got to put money into Ameritrade, right, to play with the stocks. Same thing here. You got to get your bank account money into Coinbase or Gemini. If you're in Hawaii, I would recommend Gemini. The last time I tried, you can't really get a Coinbase account if you're living in Hawaii, but with Gemini, you can. Okay, so you're going to get into Gemini, create an account. There's links down below in this video. And if you sign up under my link, you're going to get free $10 in Bitcoin if you go with Coinbase. Also Gemini too. Like when I logged into the account, it says that you're going to get $10 in Bitcoin, but now it's saying $7 in ETH. Whatever it is, you're going to get some extra cash. I'm going to get some extra cash in Bitcoin. Why not? So click the links down below, sign up to Gemini or Coinbase. I have accounts in both of these. And then we're going to buy some Ethereum to transfer to our new Metamask wallet that we just created, right? So what I'm going to do right now is log into my Gemini account. And I'm hoping, because normally when you buy crypto, especially on a new account, they hold the funds in there for like 3 to 5 days to make sure there's nothing fraudulent going on. And then they allow you to withdraw the money. So I'm just hoping they'll allow me to withdraw my Ethereum, because I'm going to buy some Ethereum right now. I'm just going to show you the process. You can see I have some money in my portfolio. I have some of these coins here. But let's just go to market. Okay, this is where you're going to buy. Okay, I want Ethereum because with Ethereum we can swap for different ERC20 coins. Basically, these are all there's a bunch of, they call them altcoins. You know, a bunch of coins that live on the Ethereum network for decentralized finance and whatnot. We're going to get into that in other videos, but in this video, we just want to get your bank account money into Gemini. So once you get into Gemini, all right, you're going to have your account. Okay, you're basically going to hook up your bank account. It's pretty simple to do. You just go to, I think, pretty much settings, and then you're going to add your bank account. So I don't want to get too crazy here and give away my personal information. I'm going to have to edit this video now. But what we're going to be doing is adding your bank account. Okay, it's pretty simple process. If you just follow the instructions once you get in, okay, you have to add a bank account. Settings. Okay, and here it's basically payment methods. Okay, you can add your bank account, whatever you want to do, and basically you can also add a credit card, because you could buy with a credit card, actually debit card. Okay, so basically set that up. Okay, you go to the marketplace here, and I'm going to click on Ethereum because I want to buy some Ethereum quick. We're just going to do $1,000 worth, because I have Ethereum in my other exchanges that I can transfer to swap for other currencies. But I just want to show you how to buy some crypto once you get into Gemini or Coinbase. This is basically all you do. At the moment, Ethereum is $1,900 per coin. So if I wanted to buy a full coin, I would have to put in like $2,000, right? And then I would get 1.013 ETH. And there's a little fee every time you buy and sell. There's always a little fee, so don't get blown away. And you can also have set up a buy order every week, twice a month, monthly, whatever. I just want to do a single buy, and we're just going to put $1,000 into the system here. Into this account. I'm going to click continue. Okay, we're going to make it come out from my Wells Fargo account. It's going to cost me $15 transaction fee. So now instead of 1,000, it's 985. I'm getting right under an Ethereum of ETH. So I'm going to click confirm. Hopefully, like I said, we can withdraw this money is like right now. Hopefully. So let's go to portfolio, and let's see if I have my Ethereum. in here somewhere. I do have Ethereum right here. I have $980 worth. Okay, so once you buy your Ethereum, you're gonna go back to your Ethereum. Okay, your little Ethereum, and if you scroll down, it'll show you how much you have. Okay, so it looks like I got 0.49 here. Okay, so if I want to withdraw this money, right, then I would click transfer, withdraw from Gemini. Okay, and then it's basically going to say select your currency. So I'm looking for my Ethereum. Okay, continue, select destination. So remember, we created our brand new Metamask account here, right? And we have these accounts open up here as well. But so I'm going to open my Metamask up, okay, and I'm going to copy this address, okay, because we want to send our money over to our Metamask account. Okay, now you could keep your currency, your cryptocurrency, in Coinbase or Gemini. Okay, but if we're going to be doing other things, changing to different altcoins and really getting into the crypto market and expanding our opportunities to make more money in decentralized finance and whatnot, you know, buy NFTs and whatnot, then we want to get that money onto Ethereum. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to grab my code. You just click it over here. That's my wallet address. I'm going to go back to Gemini. I'm going to post in my wallet address. Okay, I'm going to click continue. It's just going to say just be careful. Okay, I would also do a test transaction if you're doing this. Send a small amount, maybe send $100 worth in the beginning. And if you click max here, you could send the max amount of Ethereum. Okay, but if I were you, I would do a test of maybe, you know, 150. Oh, this isn't ETH, so I would have to put like 0.01, which is $20 in Ethereum, or 0.3. Okay, but I'm gonna trust myself, and I'm just gonna click max, click continue. Okay, and we request withdrawal. I need to verify it on my phone. So once you set your cryptocurrency account up with Gemini or Coinbase, you're going to actually have your phone number in, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to pretty much verify this code. Hopefully this is it. Yep. 6441011. Submit. Okay, it's going to basically process the transaction. Now I'm going to be sending money. Okay, so now I sent 0.490 ETH, half of an Ethereum, over to that address, right? And I would also advise to get your very own application, okay, of Gemini and Coinbase. So I have Coinbase right there, and I have Gemini. Oh, it's joint Gemini's up here as well. I got Gemini. I also got Metamask. So if you want to download the Metamask app for your phone, okay, I would definitely do all that. This is pretty much all my crypto apps in here. I also do a lot in the Solana network, so it's really, really cool. So again, we're going to get more in depth about all of this stuff. So hopefully you're liking this video. So let's go ahead and go back to, see now if we look, boom, my money is here now. Okay, so boom, if you look at activity, it's not showing the activity, weird, but it shows the assets here. Okay, 0.4965 Ethereum that just came in. Okay, you could actually buy as well through MetaMask. I've never actually done that, but you could continue with like MoonPay or, you know, enter your credit card and whatnot. I've never really bought anything from within MetaMask. I actually recommend getting crypto through Gemini or Coinbase first, then moving it over to your MetaMask wallet here. And then from here, the whole world opens up for us to get into other DeFi projects, NFTs and whatnot, and switch and get altcoins and whatnot. It's really, really cool. So this is the steps to basically hooking up your main bank account, your Wells Fargo, your Bank of Hawaii, or Bank of New York, whatever it is. Okay, hook it up to Gemini, hook it up to Coinbase, buy your first Ethereum, okay, if you're looking to get into this, or a half of Ethereum, you know, it depends on what you're working with. But now we basically have some money in MetaMask. Okay, now we're going to show you how to buy some different coins that have much more potential than Ethereum. Okay, there's a lot of ERC20 coins that you can invest in that I think will outperform Ethereum and some of the coins that are inside of Gemini itself. Okay, because in Gemini, it's pretty much limited to what you can get. There's a lot, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of coins in here. These are all the different coins, Shiba, Polygon, Terra, DAI is a stable coin. We'll talk about that in other videos, Chainlink. There's a lot, and I do have a lot of them, but I've been taking a lot of my money out of here also and putting it into my exchange. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Crypto Richie here hanging out with you today. Go ahead, get your Metamask set up. Get your Coinbase and Gemini set up. The links are down below in the video. Sign up to Coinbase. And if you're in a different country like the Philippines or Brazil, there are certain companies where you could buy crypto. So once you do that, okay, you can always create a MetaMask and just send your money over to MetaMask. And this is my other MetaMask account where I have some Ethereum and some other things in here. But so that's pretty much it. Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. We're going to be talking about my crypto journey and so much more, and all the opportunities that you guys can get into with cryptocurrency. And I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.